In today's video, we're gonna talk about moderation section. The section itself in the group's settings consists of just one option, but moderation has many more capabilities. Group moderation is mostly performed by commands. Commands and their description provided in a group's manual. We know how much you enjoy reading manuals, so today we're gonna read them together. In order to set up our moderation options, we have to go to the group settings. For this, we're going to Admin, Channels and Groups. We choose our group, and we're going to Moderator section. As we said before, there is only one option here, which is Delete Events. Once it's on, it will delete all system messages in the group, such as admin actions or new user joining the group. Basically, this is all about the settings in the bot. So let's move to the website and see in the manual what other options we have. Alright, we are on our website, Docs, Menu Builder. We go into English section, choosing Functions Manuals, and go into the Group section. Module of Moderation. We have already discussed the delete events, so let's move further to the commands. First thing you need to keep in mind that only group's admins can interact with the bot. And it doesn't matter if this person is an admin of the bot itself. Most important, he's supposed to have rights in the group. Second thing you need to know is that bot doesn't check admins all the time. So if you added a new admin to the group or your bot doesn't respond to your commands, you have to make the bot to check the admins. For this, you send command admins and your bot will update the admins list in the group. Keep in mind that all system commands in the group are started with exclamation mark. Also, if you're using your group as a support, you need to know that any messages that started with exclamation mark will not be sent to the user. This will prevent you from sending incorrect commands on the user side, so user will never see it. First moderation command is ID. It allows you to find out the ID of the user of the group. Notice that the ID itself will come to the bot, not into the group. Next command is mute. You can mute your users from inside the group. Command has a short version, just exclamation mark and M. This command will mute the user forever. But if you want to temporarily restrict the user from writing, you can add the number which represents the days. So for example, mute 10 will mute the user for 10 days. Besides the days, you can set different periods, such as week, month or year. Just specify the period in the command. Keep in mind that if you mute somewhere over 1 year, it will be muted forever. If you want to add comment to your mute command, you can add your comment into the composition. It will look something like that. If you mute someone by mistake or you change your mind, you can send command unmute on any message of the user and the bot will remove the restriction. Next command is ban. So basically you can ban users from inside a group. the user will be kicked from the group. If you change your mind, you can unban the user. Just send this command as a reply to one of the user's messages, and the bot will remove the restriction. Last command is reply, basically allowing you to write on behalf of the bot. You send command reply and the text to any message of the user. The bot will delete your original message and write the same on his behalf. For the user, it will look like the bot himself wrote something as a reply. If something goes wrong, you can always refer to the error messages section, see the reason, and troubleshoot. That is all about moderation section.